Effective communication in customer service is a dance, a delicate balance where every move counts. It's not just about the words we choose. It's about how we say them, how we present ourselves, and how we connect with the person on the other end of the line or sitting across from us. Think about it. When you're interacting with someone, are you just listening to their words? Or are you also picking up on their energy, their expressions, their body language? That's the essence of communication. It's a two-way street that requires both verbal and non-verbal skills to truly excel. Let's start with verbal communication. Clarity and conciseness are paramount. Imagine you're trying to help a customer troubleshoot an issue, and you say, "You might want to try toggling the settings menu and navigating through advanced preferences." What does that even mean? It's like speaking a different language. Instead, you could say, "Click on Settings, then select Advanced Preferences to adjust the options." Simple, straightforward, and effective. This is how we reduce confusion and frustration. Clear instructions make all the difference. Now, let's talk about positive language. It's so easy to fall into the trap of negativity, especially when faced with a frustrated customer. Instead of saying, "We can't do that for you," try flipping the script. Say, "Here's what we can do to help resolve this issue." This shift not only opens the door to solutions, but also fosters a collaborative atmosphere. When customers feel like you're on their side, it changes the entire interaction. Active listening is another crucial element. It's not just about hearing the words, it's about truly understanding the concerns behind them. When a customer expresses frustration, respond in a way that shows you've listened. For instance, say, "I understand that the delay in your order has been frustrating. Let me check the status for you right away." This not only builds trust, but also reassures the customer that their concerns matter. And let's not forget about tone of voice. Your tone can convey a world of emotions. A calm, professional, and empathetic tone can de-escalate a tense situation. Imagine a customer calling in, anxious and upset. Your soothing tone can work wonders to reassure them. On the flip side, an enthusiastic tone can engage a happy customer, making them feel valued and appreciated. Asking open-ended questions is another powerful tool in your communication toolkit. These questions encourage customers to share more about their needs. Instead of a simple yes or no, ask, "Can you describe what happened when you tried to access your account?" This not only uncovers underlying issues, but also creates an opportunity for you to provide better support. Now, let's shift gears and talk about non-verbal communication. This is where things get really interesting. Eye contact is a fundamental aspect of any interaction. When you maintain appropriate eye contact, whether in person or over video, you're showing attentiveness and respect. It's a simple yet profound way to connect with someone. Look directly at the customer while they explain their issue. It shows you care. Facial expressions are equally important. Your expressions should align with the tone of the conversation. A smile when greeting a customer can set a welcoming tone. Conversely, a concerned look can reinforce your empathy when addressing a serious issue. Your face is a canvas that reflects your engagement, so make sure it's sending the right message. Body language is another crucial piece of the puzzle. Open body language, like uncrossed arms and leaning slightly forward, signals to customers that you're interested and engaged. It invites them to share more and fosters a comfortable atmosphere. Conversely, closed-off body language can make customers feel unwelcome or dismissed. Even in a phone conversation, your tone and pitch matter. A warm, steady tone can build trust and rapport, even without visual cues. Avoid monotone speech. Instead, inject energy and enthusiasm into your voice. It keeps the customer engaged and shows them that you genuinely care about their concerns. Now, let's explore the synergy between verbal and nonverbal communication. When these two elements align, you create a powerful and effective message. For example, saying, "I'm here to help resolve this issue for you," while maintaining eye contact, nodding, and using a warm tone reinforces your commitment to assisting the customer. On the other hand, If your words say one thing, but your facial expression says another, like frowning while saying, "I understand your frustration," it can lead to confusion or distrust. However, there are barriers to effective communication that we must be aware of. Distractions, like multitasking or background noise, can hinder our ability to connect. The solution? Focus solely on the customer during interactions. Inconsistent tone or body language can also send mixed signals. Ensure your facial expressions, tone, and gestures match your words to create a cohesive message. Cultural differences can further complicate communication. Misinterpreting nonverbal signals due to cultural variations can lead to misunderstandings. Being aware of cultural norms and focusing on universal cues, like smiling and using polite language, can help bridge those gaps. To improve your communication skills, practice active listening. Pay full attention and respond thoughtfully. Use positive reinforcement. Phrases like, "I understand," or "great question," can go a long way. Role-playing scenarios with a colleague can help refine your skills, and reviewing recordings of customer interactions can provide valuable insights. Lastly, seeking feedback from managers or peers can help you identify areas for improvement. In summary, mastering both verbal and nonverbal communication is essential for creating meaningful connections in customer service. It's about more than just answering questions. It's about building trust, addressing concerns effectively, and maintaining professionalism. When we focus on clarity, positive language, and active listening, combined with eye contact, facial expressions, and open body language, we create interactions that are productive, empathetic, and ultimately lead to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, let's embrace these skills and elevate our customer service interactions to new heights.